Exercise 5.8 question number 1 verify Rolle's theorem for the function f of x equal to x square plus 2x minus 8. Rolle's theorem है यहाँ पर let f be a real valued function defined on the closed interval a b. First condition, f is continuous on closed interval. Second, f is differentiable on open interval. Third, f of a equal to f of b. Then there exists at least a c between open interval a and b such that f dash c equal to 0. इस एक्सरसाइज में हमें वेरीफाई करना है रोल्स थ्योरम और थोड़े प्रॉब्लम्स मीन वैल्यू थ्योरम के हैं. सो व्हाट इज मीन वैल्यू थ्योरम हियर? मीन वैल्यू थ्योरम इज एक्सटेंशन ऑफ रोल्स थ्योरम. लेट एफ बी अ रियल वैल्यूड फंक्शन डिफाइंड ऑन क्लोज्ड इंटरवल ए बी. f is continuous on closed interval ab, f is differentiable on open interval ab. Then there exists at least a c between a and b such that f dash c equal to f of b minus f of a divided by b minus a. ये मीन वैल्यू थ्योरम है और ये रोल्स थ्योरम है. इस एक्सरसाइज में फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन वी हैव टू वेरीफाई रोल्स थ्योरम फॉर द फंक्शन f of x equal to x square plus 2x minus 8 where x belongs to minus 4 comma 2. Here interval is minus 4 comma 2. So first, in last video also I had told you that every polynomial function is always continuous and some remarks are there. Polynomial function, sine function, cosine function, exponent function, logarithmic function is always continuous and differentiable. Every differentiable function is continuous, but converse function is not, may or may not be true. Every differentiable function is continuous, but every continuous function may or may not be differentiable. And modulus of x is not differentiable at x equal to 0. Tan x equal to 0 is not differentiable at x equal to pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, etc., or 2n plus or minus 2n plus 1 pi by 2, where n belongs to z. So here the given function is polynomial. Polynomial function कैसा होता है? x का पावर नेचुरल नंबर होना चाहिए. Here x power of x is natural number. So the given function f of x is polynomial function. So first condition, f of x is continuous in minus 4 comma 2. Second, f of every continuous function is differentiable. So f of x is differentiable in open interval minus 4 comma 2. डिफरेंशिएबल ओपन इंटरवल ही लिखा जाता है क्योंकि एट द एंड पॉइंट्स वी कैन नॉट डिफरेंशिएट द फंक्शन. एट द एंड पॉइंट देयर वी कैन फाइंड मैनी, वी कैन ड्रॉ मैनी टेंजेंट्स. सो जब भी डिफरेंशिएबल आता है ओपन इंटरवल लिखना चाहिए. नेक्स्ट, द गिवन फंक्शन इज एफ ऑफ ए इक्वल टू एफ ऑफ बी चेक करना है. द गिवन फंक्शन एफ ऑफ एक्स इक्वल टू एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 2x माइनस 8 है. यहाँ पर a माइनस 4 है, b 2 है. सो एफ ऑफ माइनस 4 फर्स्ट वी आर टू चेक माइनस 4 स्क्वायर प्लस 2 इंटू माइनस 4 माइनस 8. इसको सॉल्व करो. माइनस 4 का स्क्वायर 16 होगा. माइनस 8 माइनस 16 इक्वल टू 0. नेक्स्ट, एफ ऑफ बी, बी यहाँ पर 2 है. एफ ऑफ 2 क्या होगा? यहाँ पर 2 स्क्वायर प्लस 2 इंटू 2 माइनस 8. 2 का स्क्वायर 4, 4 प्लस 4 8, 8 माइनस 8 इज 0. So f of a is also 0, f of b is also 0. Here थर्ड कंडीशन भी यहाँ पर अप्लाई हो गई. थर्ड कंडीशन है f of a इक्वल टू f of b. So f of minus 4 equal to f of 2. then there exists mean value theorem states that if a function is continuous in open interval ab and differentiable in continuous in closed interval ab, and f of x is differentiable in open interval ab and f of a equal to f of b, then there exists at least one c belongs to open interval ab such that f dash is c equal to 0. So here f of x is x square plus 2x minus 8 and f dash of x will be, this is your f of x. f dash x means इसका डिफ्रेंशिएशन, x स्क्वायर का डिफ्रेंशिएशन 2x प्लस 2x का 2 कांस्टेंट का 0, सो 2x प्लस 2 यहाँ पर f dash of x हो गया. सो पुट x in place of x c, f dash of c equal to 2c plus 2. Here f dash of c is 0 given in theorem itself. So put f dash of c equal to 0, 0 equal to 2c plus 2 or 2c plus 2 equal to 0, 2c equal to minus 2. Then c equal to minus 2 by 2, minus 1 belongs to minus 1. So minus 1 belongs to our interval, this one minus 4 comma 2. ये माइनस 1 की वैल्यू इसके बीच में आएगी. माइनस 4 के बाद माइनस 3, माइनस 2, माइनस 1, 2, 0, 1, 2. So minus 1 belongs to this interval. So Rolle's theorem is, conclusion of our Rolle's theorem is true. So conclusion of Rolle's theorem is true. So Rolle's theorem is verified. Here question is verify Rolle's theorem for the function f of x equal to x square plus 2x plus minus 8 is there. So here Rolle's theorem is verified. Rolle's theorem is verified. Now come to the next question. This is exercise 5.1, first question. Now come to the second question. Examine if Rolle's theorem is applicable to any of the following functions. Can you say something about the converse of the Rolle's theorem from this example? So in तीनों एग्जाम्पल में हमें Rolle's theorem applicable है या नहीं चेक करना है. इसके लिए फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल लेंगे. फर्स्ट कंडीशन f of is continuous. See, the function is integral function, greatest integer function, so it is not continuous at every point. Only on integral part it is continuous. So we will check the third condition directly. फर्स्ट कंडीशन है कंटिन्यूटी, सेकंड डिफरेंशिएबिलिटी, थर्ड कंडीशन f of a इज इक्वल टू f of b. ये कंडीशन हम चेक करेंगे. टेक फर्स्ट एग्जांपल, f of phi इक्वल टू ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर फंक्शन phi x और phi here. So box phi, the value of box phi is 5. Next check f of 9. f of 9 means box 9 equal to 9 itself. So here phi is not equal to 9. So f of phi is not equal to f of 9. So Rolle's theorem is not applicable to this function because third condition is fail here. First, second also condition is also fail because it is greatest integer function. Rolle's theorem is not applicable. Take second example. Second example is also same here. Here f of x is box x belongs to minus 2 plus 2. F of x equal to box of minus 2 is minus 2 itself. Only integral part we are taking, and f of plus 2, again box 2, it is 2. Here f of minus 2 is not equal to f of 2, so here also Rolle's theorem is not applicable. Come to the next question, third question. Third question is f of x equal to x square minus 1 for x belongs to 1 comma 2. X square minus 1 on 1 comma 2. Here also you can check, it is polynomial function, it is continuous, and they are also differentiable. Check the third condition. F of 1 means 1 square minus 1, that is 0. F of 2, put 2 here, 2 square minus 1, 4 minus 1, it is 3. Here f of 1 is not equal to f of 2. Hence Rolle's theorem is not applicable. Not applicable. So this is our second question. Now come to the third question. For question number 3 is, if f is a function from minus 5 to plus 5, minus 5 plus 5 to r is differentiable function, and f dash x does not vanish anywhere, then prove that f of minus 5 is not equal to f of 5. Here solution, given function is differentiable function, it is already given in question itself. So every differentiable function is continuous, therefore f is continuous. The same thing I am writing here. Given function f is differentiable, it is given in question itself. So f is continuous because every differentiable function is continuous. So first condition satisfies here. F is differentiable on open interval minus 5 comma plus 5. F is also continuous on closed interval minus 5 comma plus 5. So mean value theorem satisfies all the condition. Mean value theorem satisfies all the conditions. Then there exists at least C belongs to open interval minus 5 comma plus 5, such that here by the definition of mean value theorem, f dash of C equal to f of B minus f of A divided by B minus A. So इस हिसाब से हमें वैल्यूज फाइंड आउट करना है. Here f is given, we have to show, we have to prove f of minus 5 is not equal to f of 5. This we have to prove. So to prove this one, f dash C, दिस इज यहाँ पर b है हमारा इंटरवल +5, a है -5. सो f of b मीन्स f of 5 minus f of -5 divided by b minus a, 5 minus of -5. is equal to f dash of c. This is equal to f of 5 minus f of minus 5 divided by 5 minus of minus is 10. Given f dash x does not vanish, in question itself it is given f dash of x does not vanish anywhere. Does not vanish means the value will not be 0. The value of f dash of x will not equal to 0. Will not be equal to 0. Here f dash of x does not vanish means f dash of x is not equal to 0. That means f dash of c is also not equal to 0. Therefore our f dash of c, this one, f of 5 minus f of minus 5 divided by 10 is not equal to 0. F dash of c is not equal to 0 means f of 5 minus f of minus 5 by 10 is not equal to 0. That means f of 5 minus f of minus 5 is not equal to, this 10 will go in 10 into 0, 0. Take minus 5 this side, f of minus 5 that side, that equal to, that is not equal to f of minus 5. Take f of minus 5 this side, so minus will be here, will become plus. F of 5 is not equal to f of minus 5, that we have to prove. So we have proved this one. You can take screenshot of this also. हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, अभी तक आपने हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और लाइक कीजिए।